The goal is always to partner with our customers to keep them going. If that means the traditional ways that we do it, or if we can help them out through the services we provide centrally. John Deere Customer Service Advisor. It's a software program that allows them to connect to their equipment to really give the customer some more detailed information about the equipment, what that code means, what might be a possible fix, where do I go next. If that doesn't do it, we have people available to take those phone calls and then continue walking them through that process with Customer Service Advisor. With an RDO account, you have 24-hour access to parts of where they are, which one of our locations have them. If you happen to be in one of our regions where we have multiple locations, if you see your normal store you work with doesn't have it, you can see how close it is. And also there's ability to see parts schematics. So if you have an RDO account, you can use the tools that John Deere provides to look up parts, see the general vicinity of how they go together, how it looks, and use that as a tool. Remote programming and diagnostics allows us to know what software is on a unit. We might have an issue where a tractor is not properly talking to a planter in the spring. It can be just a software compatibility issue. We are able to identify that remotely just from wherever we're sitting, and it's as simple as us with a few clicks of a button, the customer accepting it in the cab to take in that software and install that software, and many times they're good to go. Having the machines connected through JD Link is a huge benefit. Been a game changer in how we service our customers.
John Deere Connected Support can encompass quite a few different tools. They've got so much in the tool belt for us today. Everything from machine analyzer to remote display access, service advisor remote, operations center, expert alerts. It encompasses so much that it really offers up an opportunity for us to really give our customers a truly unique experience.
From a customer's perspective, they can analyze their machine data and they can utilize our services at the dealership to make sure that they're up and running with no issues. And if they do have issues on their machines, we're going to be able to reach out to them proactively and make sure they get taken care of before they lose valuable time out in the fields because the machine might be down. For one of our customers, we had a tractor that had a low DPF pressure issues. We were able to recognize that alert and get a hold of the customer right away, let them know what was going on. And then we had our field team send out a technician the same day. They were able to go out, diagnose the problem, retest the issue, and within 90 minutes had that customer up and running. If we hadn't have let them know about that alert, they could have been experiencing much more downtime that would have put the machine out of commission for days.
It's the customer's information, it's the customer's data. But with that right permission, we can use that data to help prevent downtime and help them with repairs. We put a big emphasis on training our employees to make sure that those partnerships that we have with our customers keep growing and developing. And adapting to each individual's needs is what we're all about. Every single one of them is so important. So whatever their needs are and however they need to run their business, that's what we're going to adapt to and help them support it in that way.